It is rosemary mint incense. Rosemary mint. Okay, Mia, got it. Got it. So, Kafarna, welcome, welcome, welcome. And if you are on your phone, if you click on my face, it will, or my logo, I don't remember if it's my face or my logo, but it will show you, it'll move everything, and you can read about me. Or it just said, like, you can go to AliCardinalli.com. If your Twitch will do a pop-up so you can stay watching while you browse. But you can read about me and the kind of medium I am. Ouch. Okay, I am going to move this closer just in case something is a death I don't want to handle. There's only ever been one that I'm like, I can't go through this. So, it's only ever been one. Okay, Miss Vanna, you ready? Nervous and excited. Okay, I feel you. Joanna. Bad joke. Ready. Yeah, Sweeney Todd. So you guys can see this candle that's on stream, on screen. The candle represents or is connected to the energy of the person I'm reading. So even though I can't see, if I know the general direction, I can try to blow out the candle and stop everything. That's the candle's purpose, is just in case. Okay, in we go. Camera's there. Feels like this. Camera's there. Camera's there. Ooh, easy in. And we're traveling. And ooh, it's a far travel. Feeling a little motion sick. And we dropped. All right. We're outdoors. Sorry. I don't know any of this foliage. So I don't know what kind of terrain. I can't even guess. Like nothing seems familiar. The trees look different, the leaves look different, everything just looks really, really odd to me. You are male and naked and dark skinned and have a lot of hair. You're not black, but you're brown. Your face feels wide. What the fuck was that sound? There's like a loud screech. I don't have to whisper. I feel like I have to whisper. There's a loud screech. Like a loud... Like, oh, so weird. So weird. Scary. Very scary. You just went, oh, and then went running, and we're barefoot. Like I said, you're naked. You're jumping up into the trees. Oh my god. Down, back on the ground. Just running so fast through this forest. I hear it again, that rah sound. You're, with the beat of your feet, you're making sounds like a I believe it's to help you keep up your pace. There are a bunch of leaves on a wall. They appear to be kind of almond shaped, but very large, like a palm frond, but not frayed. They're clean leaves, and they're on a wall. The wall is like the side of a mountain. It's gray. You've moved them back. There is a woman there. She also has hair all over her body. She is not wearing clothes as well. And there are 2 children. I believe this is ancient. Like ancient. Like first, like after Missing Link, humans. I have no idea what time that is. I have no idea what creatures are here during that time. And that has Allie afraid, because I have no idea what to expect. And I've never gone this far back before. So I am not prepared. Car accidents, murders, that I got. I have no idea, how do people die? You speak. The language has F's, or F sounds, T's, K sounds. Your tongue makes like a cup, like in German, like an umlaut, like the sound. So it doesn't feel like a romantic language. Oh, there's that screech sound again. Oh. Everybody's quiet. I believe where he's like, shh. You're sitting next to your mate, and you've taken one of the children, and the child is on your lap, and you're holding a child, and you're holding your wife. She has the younger one. The one child is she's about 7. The baby, it's young, like under a year. Oh my God, we're just being quiet. Oh my God, we're just being quiet. I have no idea what's going to happen. There is something outside. I hear crunching on the ground. Something's walking. It sounds like a bird. Rah. There's a rah sound. Oh my God. And then it just went click, 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 click. Like a rah. Step. The baby just made a sound. Oh. Whatever it is just like tapped or hit the wall, the wall. Oh, I hope it doesn't aim lower. Whatever it is very large. Oh my God, we're gonna fast forward. Oh, we're gonna live! Okay, this is not how we die! Oh, we're fast forwarding. Oh, not by much. It's nighttime and we're still sitting. We haven't moved. We are in the same spot. It's just nighttime. It's cold. There are some animal hides. It looks like there used to be that's where fire gets put. But it's really dark. Your eyes have adjusted, but not by much. But nobody's gonna get up. It appears that the baby has gone to the bathroom on Mom, but we're still not moving. Hey, if I see it, you get to see it. you're going to go look. You're slowly moving the 7-year-old to your side. You're looking at the ground to make sure that you don't step on any of the branches that are on the ground. Nobody's saying anything. You look back. Your partner, your mate, looks scared. By the entrance, there is a stick, and at the end of this stick, it appears to be sharp. On the ground, there's something that is whittled that is smaller, that also appears like it's either a weapon or a utensil. It might be a tool. It feels heavy, so it's made out of rock or petrified wood, but it's heavy. And we're gonna look. So we hear, I don't know if you guys can hear my dog. It is disorienting to hear woof woof while I am in a place where I don't think dogs, maybe dogs are a thing. I don't know. This is scary. And you're taking the stick, and pushing the leaves. On the back side of the leaves, they are tied together with what looks like vine. So there's a top and then vine and then down and then vine and then down to make kind of a blanket. Or, yeah. It's dark but seeable. So the moon must be out. It's crisp. It's just cold. There's a sound. Oh my god. You don't want to move. Your eyes are adjusting, and there appears to be what looks like a very giant bird. The bird kind of looks like a emu, but it's giant. It's laying on the ground, and its neck is curled and laying on its back. But its head is almost facing you. So its head is looking this way. If it opens its eyes, we are... Oh, this is over. I've never been eaten before, so that was terrible. I'm back. Oh, I kept my glasses on. Okay, so its eyes open and then it just charged. Giant bird. Giant bird. What the fuck, giant bird? What birds? Who's doing research while I was under? Who's doing research to find out prehistoric birds? Carnivorous birds. Oh my word. I have to look at what the heck you guys were talking about. No, it didn't fly. I know what a pterodactyl is, but it was, yeah. No, it didn't fly. It looked like an emu. It looked like an ostrich. Yeah, caveman times. I have no idea where in the world. Nick goes, "You're gonna get eaten," and that's done. Okay, and everybody's like, "Shh, Nick." Yes, eaten. Okay, saber-toothed tiger. No, it was some kind of carnivorous, awful, blessed, gigantic bird. It's a bird dinosaur thing from ancient times. Look, timidly new. Was that before I saw it? Oh no, you guys are still talking. So no, you guys didn't see it yet. Man, I want to join the queue. Kafarna, you can join the queue. Got goosebumps. It's just random. Oh, never mind. You're dead. Stab it. Wow, incredible past life. Does anyone know? Oh, let me look what they suppose that it looked like. It did kind of have feathers. That was not it. Let's look at, or like a dodo, giant, ancient dodo. Flightless, prehistoric bird. Images. Ah! Giant flightless birds throughout history. Oh my Jesus. That was it. I think that was it. A Phororhacus. Or number 2. Okay, let me share my screen. Yeah, like a 10-foot tall carnivorous bird. So let me do that. Okay, so I'm gonna switch over. Give me just a sec. Oh, see, Vanna pulled up the same thing. Let's see, share screen. Boom. Okay, and all right, let's see if we can open image in new tab. Okay, so who wants to research when these things came about? Yeah, it looked like either number 5 or number 2. I guess it could have been 3, but no, 5. Phororhacus. Yeah. Yes. So that's this guy, this number 5 or number 2. I don't know which was around during human existence. But that is what I saw. So, Vanna, you were eaten by one of these. Or something very similar. So I guess we can find out the time period of Phororhacus. for... I already forgot how to spell it. Us are hackos. For us are... There it is. Argentina! What did they eat? The diet and hunting tactics. Although it had impressive size, it hunted small insects and mammals. Bigger animals were left to its heavier relatives, such as the... Uh-oh. Maybe this is it. Oh my god, yes, that's so scary. Were humans alive during this time? Humans? The first humanoids, bipedal apes of the human lineage, appeared in Africa at the end of this time period. Did humans live? Bam. Bam! How about that? How about that? So this was the critter. Let's go back a tab. Brontornis. Let's look at this critter. Ooh. Yeah. That was my experience today, so I'm gonna need to watch cartoons. Yeah. Remember I said it was banging on the top of the cave? Oh my god. Okay. That was kind of incredible, I will have to say. I've never been that far back. So Vanna, I generally see the most recent, so I'm not sure why I went that far back. Unless you haven't had a life between, that doesn't seem likely. Let's unwedge this. And then how do you have a conversation with your kid when you're walking through like the Natural History Museum and they have something like that? And you're like, oh, I've seen one of those in person. And some of you guys knew, yeah, the death was quick. It was just like, chomp, scary, but quick. Yeah. So that was a wild time. Like I said, I usually see the most recent, so I guess I don't know if you've had another past life. Like you've just been hanging out since then. So, do you happen to have a fear of birds? Or large birds? Or a fear of, you know, being decapitated? I think it's coffee break time. Oh my gosh, that was so exciting.